In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts and graphs in Canva. Whether you're preparing a business presentation, a school project, or simply want to visualize data for personal projects, Canva offers a user-friendly platform to create stunning charts and graphs. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, setting it up is quick and easy. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic begins, as it opens the door to a world of design possibilities. Now, in the search bar that appears, type chart and graph. This will bring up a selection of templates specifically designed for creating charts and graphs. Canva offers a wide variety of styles, so take a moment to browse through them. Find a template that suits your needs and click on it. The right template will set the foundation for a visually appealing and informative chart or graph. Once you've selected your template, it's time to get creative. You'll be taken to the editing page where you can customize the template to fit your specific topic. This is where you can change colors, fonts, and data points to suit your style and the data you wish to present. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes this process intuitive and fun, allowing you to see changes in real time. After you've tailored the chart or graph to your liking, it's time to finalize your design. Before you finish, double-check everything to ensure the data is correct and the design aligns with your vision. Once you're satisfied, locate the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will give you options to download your finished chart or graph. You can choose the format that best fits your needs, whether it's a PDF for print, a PNG for presentations, or any other available format. And there you have it. You've successfully created a chart or graph in Canva. This tool not only simplifies the process, but also enhances your ability to communicate complex data clearly and effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different templates and customizations to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Canva and other design tools. Until next time, happy designing.